Our next option in the frame settings right there is the wall joint studs. Now what this actually does, it moves a specific stud over to allow for the connection of cladding material. If you take a look at your two wall panels we've got on the screen right there, you'll notice we've got a full border stud going on right there. And right next to it, we'll call this a wall joint stud. The reason it's being used in that specific position right there is you can see it is slightly set off with a specific dimension from the joining wall panel right there. Now, as per our settings we've set, right there is set for 12 millimeters to allow for linings. Now, generally speaking, you'll need to insert the dimension of your actual cladding. Now, when applying this onto your settings and clicking OK, we can go and rebuild this if it has not been applied before, and you can also choose to turn it off and then hit rebuild on that frame to turn it off again. And just some more clarity on this explanation, if we look at this image that I'm bringing up right there, you can clearly see how these two would be joined together and where the stud would be placed versus how your cladding would connect to those studs. It allows for the cladding material to get right on the edge and then connecting all the way to the end of that stud, also the connecting wall panel, allowing that board to join all the way to the end of the stud.